डोंट गॉसिप।
ओ डोंट गॉसिप एबे को मैडम को क्लास अछि मॉनिटर मैडम
सुन बिनोदिनी एबे कादम्बिनी गुरुमा का क्लास अछि तो मु कहूची सेते पाटी चुप करी बस।
ओ कादबिनी गुरुमांकर ए इंग्लिश क्लास अछि
आज कादमिनी गुरुमांकर इंग्लिश क्लास अच्छी कौन पढ़ाबो जानचु।
Good morning, children.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम
So, how are you all? If you come across a new chapter, then how you are going to read it? Okay, so today I think we are going to start a new chapter. So, what are the things? So, can anyone tell me, if you come across a new chapter, then what is the first thing you want to do with that new chapter? Who can say? Raise your hand. Who can say? Yes.
To understand the text.
Yes.
आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चंस
So, in your life, you will come across so many new chapters, paragraph, essays, or any article. So, first thing, you try to read it. So, if you cannot read it, then what will you do? You can take the help of your teachers, or in Google also you can find its pronunciation. And next comes what is the meaning of this new word. So, you should know its meaning. So, what do you mean by knowing the meaning of a new word? The thing is, you should know its antonyms, its synonyms, and then you must be able to frame sentences using that word. Then only you can say you know that word. You are going to start this chapter. So, what are the methods that you should know to complete this chapter? Number one, reading. You should able to read this chapter correctly. Every word you should know how to pronounce. And second one is its meaning. You should know the meaning of all the difficult words that you will come across while reading this new chapter. So, this is the formula you can use everywhere, wherever you go and wherever you start reading any new chapter. Let us say all. Number one, reading. Number two, one, reading. Two, now raise your hand who can say alone.
I can say ma'am.
Raise your hand, how many of you can say? Straight.
Reading and knowing the difficult words.
Number one, reading. And second one is its meaning. So let us do these things now using this smart board, as you all are very smart. So I hope you will love to read this chapter. So let us start. Okay, so this is a chapter that we have with us. So how you are going to read it? Let us see how you will read it. Okay, so you are going to hear the words, its pronunciation. Then we will have a competition among you 4 groups. So where I will stop the video, you have to say where I stopped, and in this way we will continue the game.
सुन से जाता स्मार्ट बोर्ड लगी तुम पढ़िया को भल लागुनी हां बरा।
The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill, with the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flower.
Yes, so where we stopped? Yes. Flower, very good. Then next, what is its meaning? So with pronunciation you should also try to read the meaning that is written here and the pictures that explains these words. Okay, sit down. Next,
That always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the north, and also helped at post-airing supper, replied, "Yes, God willing." The older boys were working in the field, while the smaller ones were playing near the house, until the woman called to them all.
Yes, group 1, where it stopped? All. Who can show? Come and show. Very good. Then next.
Come for dinner. It was during the meal that, just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching.
Okay, very good. Then next.
The air
Your turn
was
now.
fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These are not raindrops,
Come. Raindrops. Yes, anyone can say, raise your hands. What is it?
Raindrops.
Say to them.
Raindrops.
Where it stopped? Where it stopped? Where is raindrop? Who can show? Come and show. Yes, raise your hand. Who can show? Yes, you come. Raindrops. Raindrops. No, yes, you come. Okay, very good. Take your seat. All of you raise your hand. Yes, last you tell me what are the 2 points that we discussed.
Reading and knowing the difficult words.
Very good. I hope it is clear now. Now, just look at me and let us stop looking at the smart board. Okay? Now it's time to read this chapter. Let me see who can read. All of you listen carefully, open your book and let us see how she is reading.
Sat on the crest of a low hill. From his height one could see the river and the field of daikon dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his field intimately, had nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Now we are really going to get some water, Onan. The woman who was preparing supper replied, "Yes, God willing." The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house, until the woman called to them all, "Come for dinner." It was during the meal that, just as Lencho predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, "These are not raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. The big drops are 10 cent pieces and the little ones are 5s."
So I think now you all are very much clear what we were discussing. Reading and knowing the difficult word. This is the most important thing we should remember whenever we come across a new chapter. Thank you.